In this video, we'll walk through creating an account in order to take one of our courses on Teachable. Clicking on a link from either the flyer or the training list will take you to the course's landing page. From here, you'll scroll and click Enroll Now, where you'll be taken to a page that will have you create an account. You'll be prompted to enter your information. I'll do this now. From here, you'll be asked if you want to be sent promotions and news. This is optional. You'll click Sign Up, and you'll click Go to Course Curriculum. From here, you can press Start, and you'll begin the course. In order to ensure you can enroll for further courses, you can press the Home button. I see that it says, please confirm your email to fully activate your account. I'll go to my email address, and I see 2 emails. This one confirming my access to the course I enrolled in, and the second email asking me to confirm my account. I'll click on Confirm Email. And then I'll click on Continue. I can see the course I've enrolled in here. I can toggle between the courses I'm enrolled in by clicking on My Products to be taken to this page, or All Products to be taken to the full list of course offerings. Let's click on All Products. And here we see them all listed. Let's say I'm actively at the course and want to find that page again. I can click on the top left where the arrow is, and I'll be taken back to that same page where I can see all of our course offerings. Thank you for your interest in our courses.